unfortunate news. You can see I'm in my game room right now, and Rocket is chilling behind his favorite chair. Right there. Got a new chair in the living room, so this one was moved back here in our extra living room. This house doesn't have too many other rooms. But anyways, I have some unfortunate news to share with you regarding my TV I have right here in my setup. I think it might have just died tonight. Well, because my mom and sister tried to use it earlier to put their Switch in my dock to play Just Dance, and then whenever they'd turn the volume up, it would make some kind of hissing noise or screeching noise, or some kind of not normal noise, and that tells me that the speakers could be going bad on this TV. That makes sense. This was my grandma's this whole cabinet setup was my grandma's originally, and this TV was also my grandma's originally. And on the back of this TV it says it was manufactured September 2011. So it's about it'll be 9 years old in a few months. So it makes sense that the speakers are dying out. And also, it's an Element, probably made by Funai, not high quality. I'm gonna try to show you what it was doing. Let me put the Switch back in my dock since my sister's playing Just Dance with my mom in her own room. You turn it on. Don't die on me right now. I gotta show the viewers something. There we go. Boots up just fine. Element Electronics. HDMI 2. No signal. I must have got it on the wrong input. Never mind, I didn't turn my Switch on. There we go. Should boot up right now. Let's get my controller. Let me see what the volume thing they were talking about was. Come on. Can't quite hear it yet. Might as well turn it down a bit. I don't exactly remember what they had the volume at, but I turned it down at 2 apparently just to get rid of that horrible noise it was making. Let me try opening this. Try opening this. Hopefully this doesn't copyright me. Bad news regarding my TV. Bad news. I just keep on adjusting the volume because sometimes I think it's too loud. There we go. What is the sound they're talking about? Can't quite find the sound yet. I don't want to scare everyone in the house and max the volume, but I still can't find this sound yet that they're talking about. I don't know if it's a problem with this TV or if it's a problem with my sister's Switch or if it's the problem with the Just Dance 2017 game. There's rather some technical error with this thing. Power. Will I be able to hear it now? I'm outside of a game. 80? Oh, there's this high settings because my grandma was so old she couldn't hear. I don't quite hear it yet. Let me just turn the volume back down so it doesn't scare the crap out of me the next time I turn it on. Scare the crap out of me. But yeah, I can't seem to figure out what's causing this sound thing. I don't quite hear it yet. But maybe in a little while I should be safe and just replace this old TV. I should be safe. Yeah, I know what I'll get to replace it. A Samsung QLED Q50D. That's the smallest 4K TV on the market and the best TV of its size. Because I don't have a lot of space in this cabinet. This TV is already a 32-inch, I believe. Can't fit anything bigger. Unless I remove these doors, then I wouldn't be able to close this ever. I'm not going to remove the doors. Oh yeah, I can't quite find the problem yet. Let me know if you have this exact same TV and you're experiencing some sound problems. Or if you have a Nintendo Switch and you're experiencing sound problems when docking it to your TV. Oh yeah. Can't quite find this error yet. So that's it for today's video.